Hello, I'm Philip Chandy, Managing Consultant at Infortech. Are you searching online for an IT services company because you're dealing with IT-related problems at your business? Or is your current IT support and management solution not meeting your business needs? How can you determine who is the right IT services partner for your business? What questions will you ask a service provider to see if they have the knowledge and experience to leverage the right technology to bring the right services and solutions beneficial to your business? How can you be assured that your systems, network, and applications work trouble-free and perform the way they should to keep your business running? At Infortech, over the last 20 years, we have learned from our clients that in order to be a viable long-term technology services partner for a business, we must understand the client's line of business, then become a trusted partner to enable the client to operate their businesses efficiently, reliably, securely, and also to help improve their bottom line. If you choose Infortech as your IT services partner, you can be assured of the following. We will take the time and effort to understand your business, and we will tailor our services specifically to address your operational needs. We will be transparent about all aspects of our services, processes, and procedures. Our service level and support response times will be guaranteed, and we will back it up with the financial penalties if we fail to meet them. Please give us a call or complete the contact form on this page. We would love to get to know you and to learn about your business. And thank you for your time.